दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए साथ मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके नोटिफिकेशंस को ऑन कर लें ताकि हर नए आने वाली वीडियोस की अपडेट आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
I think I realized I could pursue this like IT support as a career my freshman year of high school. So I took an intro to computer applications class, and that's when you just learn about like a lot of the very basics of computers. And our teacher always talked about how like this is where the world is going. This was in 2001, and getting this foundational knowledge at a young age, 14, 15, is like gonna help you a lot when you're moving into college and leaving school and trying to get an actual job. Well, fortunately enough, my first job was working with Google. I started here maybe a month after graduating, and I was like doing like very entry level, like low level tech support. One of the best memories, or one of like the best accomplishments I think I have from my IT support job was training some of the new people in the program that I was a part of. So I guess it's like a win knowing that not only myself, who eventually left the program and went on to other things, people that I like brought on, helped train, helped teach, have moved on and done better things.